everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply mute and unmute participants in your phone on Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is like really simple. So you can like mute here by yourself when you're like, I'm going to rejoin the meeting. And here I can just mute it here. Or you're gonna like right top corner, you're gonna see this audio off. And when you go with the audio off, you will automatically mute. You can also try holding when you're gonna have a like person here. Just hold it and also press like mute. So this is like another way. And this is how you can simply do it. So this is how you can mute and unmute people in Google Meet. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. Anyway, have a great day and goodbye.